Are you confused about which VPN solution to choose? Today, we're comparing WireGuard, OpenVPN, and ZeroTier. Each of these tools helps you secure your internet connection, but they do it in different ways. WireGuard is a modern VPN that focuses on speed and simplicity. It uses a small code base, making it easier to audit and faster to connect. Many users love its performance and ease of use. On the other hand, OpenVPN has been around for a long time. It's very flexible and offers strong security features. While it can be complex to set up, it's trusted by many users worldwide. Now, let's talk about ZeroTier. This tool is a bit different. It creates virtual networks, allowing devices to connect as if they are on the same local network. It's great for remote teams and can be easier to manage than traditional VPNs. So, what are the main differences? WireGuard is all about speed and simplicity. OpenVPN offers robust security but can be tricky for beginners. ZeroTier focuses on creating virtual networks, which is unique compared to the others. When it comes to features, WireGuard is lightweight and fast. OpenVPN has many configuration options, while ZeroTier offers seamless device connectivity. Each tool has its strengths. In terms of pricing, WireGuard is often free to use. OpenVPN has both free and paid options depending on the features you need. ZeroTier also offers free and paid plans based on usage. So, which one should you choose? If you want speed and simplicity, go for WireGuard. If you need strong security and don't mind a complex setup, OpenVPN is your best bet. For virtual networking and easy collaboration, ZeroTier is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech insights.